Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore how you can elevate your vocabulary by replacing basic words with their more advanced counterparts. Let's dive in. But before diving in, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Learn to Fun. Also press the bell icon to get timely notifications. Number 1, cold, frigid. Number 2, hot, scorching. Number 3, old, ancient. Number 4, new, novel. Number 5, wet, saturated. Number 6, dry, arid. Number 7, clean, immaculate. Number 8, dirty, filthy. Number 9, loud, boisterous. Number 10, quite, serene.